October.
I know it's October, but it's a Realtor New Year. Guys, everything we do today is gonna start showing up 90 days from now. And if it's October, 90 days from now is January. And what do we usually base our goals on? An entire year. If you want to start racking up those closings and making progress towards that goal for next year, the work starts now. What is your plan that you're implementing in October, November, and December that are gonna lead towards your great first quarter, January, February, March? What is it? Are you in action? Are you consistent? Are you doing it? We asked several questions in September. What do we need to stop doing? What do we need to keep doing that worked? What worked really well from this last year? And what didn't work at all? Now, those 4 questions will help us move towards and put a plan together to change up our actions to really start working through in October. Guys, every September we want to take a step back and ask some questions and make sure we're working down the right path. You know, we're at the end of a busy summer sales season. So often we get so in the weeds on the front lines that, doing so many sales and working so many things that we forget to take a step back and evaluate. September is our perfect time to do that because of that 90-day rule. So we need to have those questions answered and implemented on October 1 going forward if we want those closings to start hitting in January. Guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. and thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.